thank all the participants for being here today, as well as yesterday, and for sharing their experience, as well as the challenges that they face. But not only that, also the progress that has been made and can be made. And the resolution of the Security Council in this case is not only a mandatory tool, but it is also, as I said 15 days ago, it is a tool for cooperation, one that provides you with the ability to work together. This is something that we must all keep in mind and take away with you and take back to your respective control authorities. Another thing I'd like to add is that if our cooperation goes well, it also means that we need to get into the details, and that means inter alia implementing what we have decided to implement and advanced passenger information in particular. And I would like to emphasize this, and I have emphasized this before. There are only 57 countries in the world that are currently capable of implementing this advanced passenger information system and to share that information with Interpol. I think everyone's aware of this. The Interpol system has enormous capacities to control and provide security. And the representative of Interpol has made this very clear during our previous meeting of our committee. And they have a database with 68 million entries that can be used. So the work of Interpol, the work of ICAO, the work of the CTC, together we should be able to implement the necessary tools that will allow us to face these emerging threats. And I would like to particularly emphasize the new threat emerging from the use of ICTs and technology as a whole. Naturally, we as individuals have constraints in terms of finding the balance between individual rights and the individual right to security. This is the fundamental issue at hand. Of course, every day, each of us at airports faces more and more strict control measures and security measures, but it is obvious that to some degree we do need these measures in order to address this challenge, and we also need these measures in order to protect our lives. So I wish everyone a successful working session during which we will be able to share more on top of what you have already shared during the last 2 days.
These measures.
And I also look forward to learning more about what has been shared in the sessions over the last 2 days and hearing the rapporteurs provide updates on what was done and what has been done to advance international cooperation. I thank you.
For his remarks.